Do you want your digital planner to do this? Tap a button and instantly open Apple Calendar or Google Calendar. Or maybe you've tried other tutorials. They were too complicated, too confusing, and it just never worked. Hi, I'm Blair, welcome to NotesOS. Today I'll show you the simplest setup that actually works. All you need is your iPad, your planner, and the Shortcuts app. Follow along, and even beginners can get it right on the first try. We're adding a button to your planner, but the button itself can't do anything on its own. That's where Shortcuts comes in. It works like a little helper. You tell it, when I tap this button, open my calendar and fill in the time for me, and it will follow those instructions every single time. First, open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus button to create a new shortcut. The first thing we'll add is Open App. Choose the note-taking app you normally use. I'm using GoodNotes here, but you can switch to Notability or any other app later. Next, add the action current date. This lets the shortcut grab the current time when you tap the button. Then add the action. Add 1 hour to current date. This sets a default 1 hour time window for your event. You can always change it later in Calendar. Now add new event. This step automatically creates a new event for you. Use the time we just created as your start and end time. You can also rename them to start time and end time, so everything looks cleaner. Finally, let's make the calendar pop up and show that event. Add Open App, choose Calendar, then add Open New Event in Calendar. This opens the event we just created so you can see it right away with everything already filled in. And you're all done. Now tap the play button in the top right corner to test it. Or just tap the button in your planner. Calendar will pop up. The shortcut will grab the current time, and everything will be filled in automatically. All you need to do is add your event details and save. The whole process is super smooth and you'll get the hang of it right away. Now let's give your shortcut a name. I'm calling mine NotesOSAppleCalendar. You can name yours whatever you like. Just try not to include spaces. Some devices may not run shortcut names with spaces correctly inside GoodNotes. Feel free to change the color and icon as well, so it's easier to spot later. Next, let's set up how to run this shortcut from your digital planner. In the planner, we'll add a link to the button. The link format is always the same. For example, mine looks like this. All you need to do is make sure the shortcut name matches your own. Now every time you tap the button in your planner, the shortcut runs automatically. And Calendar opens with everything ready to go. That's the whole flow. If you design or sell digital planners, this part is for you. You can share the iCloud download link of this shortcut with your customers. Just like this. You can even make a simple download page. Your customers just tap once, and the shortcut installs directly onto their iPad. So when they open your planner and tap the Calendar button, everything works instantly. So all the features you preset are already built in. It makes the whole experience feel smoother, and it gives your planner a much more polished, premium feel. Here are a few common questions you might have. Question 1. Why does the download link my customers click show no response? In most cases, it's because private sharing is turned off. Ask them to go to Settings, Shortcuts, Private Sharing, turn it on, tap the link again, and it will install normally. Question 2. Can the shortcut work with other apps like Notability? Yes, absolutely. Remember the Open GoodNotes action we added earlier? Tap the info button on the right. Choose Add Question. Add a question like, which note-taking app will you use? Your customers will be able to choose their app the first time they run the shortcut. And the shortcut will automatically open that app in future runs. Question 3. Why doesn't the button open anything in GoodNotes? This happens when you're still in edit mode. Switch to read mode. Tap again, and it will jump correctly. Can it also jump to Google Calendar? Yes, and it's even easier. Just paste this link into your planner button. Once you or your customers are logged into Google, tapping the button will open a brand new Google Calendar event instantly. It's simple, stable, and works for everyone. Now let's see the final result. Tap the button inside your planner gives Apple Calendar opens instantly. You can edit the title, add details, set reminders, everything works perfectly. Tap the Google button gives Google Calendar opens. Fast, clean, and perfect for digital planners. And that's the end of today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. If you want a digital planner that already has all these buttons pre-installed, my daily profit style planner is fully set up. You can find the link below. And the shortcut I used today is available in the description. Feel free to download it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Blair, and I'll see you in the next video.